Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop receiving WhatsApp message without turning off our internet data on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the connection setting. Okay, and select data usage. And here you have to click on allowed networks for application. Okay, and we have to prevent the WhatsApp application from using our internet data. So here we can select the WhatsApp application. So where's my WhatsApp? Okay, right here, just click on WhatsApp and we have to select Wi-Fi only. So this WhatsApp application cannot use my internet data from my Android phone. And the WhatsApp message can't be received by this phone. And or I guess that's how we can stop receiving a WhatsApp message without turning off our internet data. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.